Hey CR Craze USA fans. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some thrilling news for you. Bentley's latest luxury grand tourer, the 2025 Continental GT Speed, has officially landed in the United States. Let's dive into all the details and what makes this model stand out. After a month of online buzz, the Bentley Continental GT Speed is making its U.S. debut at the Quail, a motorsports gathering part of Monterey Car Week. This is where the luxury car is going to shine in front of a live audience for the first time. The 2025 GT Speed is flaunting a striking orange flame satin exterior with glossy black accents. It rides on 22-inch black-finished alloys that feature self-leveling logos. And let's not forget the sporty exhaust system that adds a touch of performance flair. Inside, Bentley has crafted a luxurious cockpit finished in a new hue called Gravity Gray. The interior features Brunel leather seats with contrasting orange accents. Diamond-quilted areas and Gravity Gray stitching elevate the sense of exclusivity and craftsmanship. The new GT Speed continues Bentley's tradition of luxury and performance with some impressive updates. It's equipped with a new chassis and advanced features like two-chamber air springs with dual-valve dampers, 48-volt active anti-roll control, and an electronic LSD. Under the hood, the Continental GT Speed packs a punch with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. It combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with an electric motor. This setup delivers a staggering 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. The old W12 engine has been retired to make way for this electrified powerhouse. Performance is impressive with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds for the GT Speed, and the top speed hits 208 miles per hour. The GTC Speed, its open-top sibling, is slightly slower at 3.4 seconds to 62 miles per hour and reaches a top speed of 177 miles per hour. The GT Speed features a 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery located behind the rear axle, improving balance. It takes just 2 hours and 45 minutes to recharge at an 11 kilowatts outlet and offers an electric driving range of 50 miles. Overall, you get a total range of 534 miles. Production for both the Continental GT Speed and the GTC Speed will start at Bentley's factory in Crewe, England, in late Q3. The first deliveries are expected to begin in the fourth quarter of this year. So, what do you think of the new Bentley Continental GT Speed? Are you excited to see this luxury beast in person? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more car news and updates. Drive safe.